Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone hotspot if other devices can't find or connect to it. First, let's look at the basic configurations. Open your settings and tap Personal Hotspot. Ensure Allow Others to Join is toggled on. If devices see your network but fail to authenticate, tap Wi-Fi password and update it to a simpler one. Crucially, turn on Maximize Compatibility right below. This forces your iPhone to broadcast an older 2.4 GHz frequency that older laptops, gaming consoles, and phones can actually detect. If that doesn't clear it, back out to the main settings page. Tap General, then VPN and Device Management, and verify you are completely disconnected from any active VPN profiles that might be blocking local data routing. Still failing to broadcast? Reset your local network parameters. Go to Settings, General, scroll to the bottom, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Hit Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode. If all else fails, force restart your hardware to drop bad background tasks. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.